welcome back to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to tile a wall, or basically two walls. This is the bathtub. I'm gonna tile from the bath so the tiles sit on the bath up to the ceiling. This kind of tiles is just simple ceramic tiles, 1 centimeter thick, and I'm gonna do a brick effect on the wall. The tile adhesive that I'm going to use in this bathroom is a slow set flexible adhesive from Top Styles. So basically the drying time is 24 hours, fully dry. So obviously I've got a bucket with the water here. I'm going to mix it now. The tile spaces that I'm gonna use is 2 millimeters long, and also the tileless trowel that looks like this. So the walls, as you see, are pretty straight, and as they were plastered before. As you see, I've already put clear silicone between the bath and the wall. Then after the tiling I'm gonna put another line between the tiles and the bath. This is just double protection if there be any leaks, so it's just more protected. So between the bath and the tiles we need to leave some space for the silicone, so I'm gonna put the 2 mm spacers in between. You need to always check if they are flat to the spirit level, if there is no gaps between them. Half of the tile. So now to continue with the line of the bath, I need to put a piece of wood here, so I can rest the new tiles that I'm gonna stick here on the wood. Obviously it has to be in level. video.